Hey guys, this is going to be a quick MLA formatting how-to video. So we have a fresh document, a blank document. So if you're working from scratch, this is how you'd set up a doc in MLA format. First thing though, I think it's important to title documents so you can stay organized in your Google Drive. And when you're submitting work for me, I especially like it when you type your last name first and then a relevant keyword regarding the assignment. So this is obviously a template I'm making. Brown's my last name. All right, so first thing we're going to do is actually set up a header that is like the page number at the top right corner and your last name that should show up on every page. So I'm going to click in this field. This is the header. What you do is hit Insert, Page Number. I'll click this so that it shows up on the first and second page, not at the bottom. I want it at the top. I'm going to align this to the right align. I'll put my cursor in front and type last name. And I'm also going to highlight this and make it 12-point font. Oh, did that work? No. Okay, make it 12-point font, and I'll leave it as time, or I'll make it Times New Roman. Now I'm going to come down here. Let's make this 12-point font. Let's be typing in Times New Roman. And what you do is you type your first and last name, type your teacher's name, type your class, and then type the date. I'll show you how all this is set up. So let's pretend your name is Bob Smith. So we got Bob Smith. Let's pretend your teacher's name is, let's just go with Mr. Brown. Now since I'm Bob Smith, let's change this to Smith template. Class, let's pretend it's humanities. And you can go as far as showing the period as well. So I'll have a colon, period 3. Bad modeling. All right, and then our date, as far as the date goes, there's something particular here. You don't have slashes, you don't have commas, you actually type everything out fully, and you put the numerical day of the week first, then you type out the month, and then you type out the year. So notice that, again, no commas, no slashes, no abbreviated word October, and it's not October 10th, 2020, it's 10 space October space 2020. I can also now change this. And I'm going to highlight all this. I'll double space it. So now that's all double spaced. MLA formatting, works out that way. It's double spaced. For the title, I start just on the next line. I'm not going down any bit extra. I'm literally just tabbing or hitting enter, and it's one below that. I'll do the center alignment and type my title. Normally come up with a relevant title. Your title can almost work or function as a hook. And then hit enter one more time. Go back to the left alignment. I'll hit tab to begin my new paragraph. And there you go. That's basically MLA formatting. Pretty much the only other thing that we would do and could talk about at a later date is if you were citing something and you had in-text citations. If that was the case, you need a works cited page so that your in-text citations are referring to specific resources. A works cited page always begins on its own page. So if you had a 10-page paper, page 11 would then be your works cited. Or if you had a one-page paper, let's say we just typed down to like the middle of the page, but you cited something, still brand new page, center align and write works cited, and then alphabetically by author's last name, and again left alignment, you would cite your sources here. So that's just a quick little model of how to set everything up. And again, if all else fails, I'd recommend whenever you're done typing, always highlight everything and just double check that none of this changes. Make sure you still have the same font, you still have the same size, and if that's always the case, that probably means you're good. Thanks a lot.